Um, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Panache. I hope everyone's doing well. So today I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I applied this wig. For once, it's not a makeup tutorial. I kind of just wanted to install this on camera because, like, why not? So I basically just showed like how I do it, the products that you need, and it's super easy, super quick, super simple, and literally like anyone can do it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'll tag it down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. So we're just gonna get right into it. This baby over here, this is what I'm gonna install. And you need a foundation, any color, it doesn't matter, like whatever foundation shade you use. Some edge control, some got to be glue, a toothbrush, edge control toothbrush, but like I just have this one, so this is what I'm gonna use. A wig cap and these pins to keep your hair out of the way. And I'm gonna start by tying my little braids out of the way. Then I'm gonna take some edge control and push my hair back. Do this so like it doesn't get in the way of the hair. Then I'm gonna put on my wig cap. I don't really think it matters whether or not you use like a darker wig cap or a lighter wig cap. Like I've used one that's like significantly lighter than this and it still looked fine, but usually I wear that one if I'm wearing like a blonde wig or something. Okay, so you're gonna put the wig on. You're gonna move it back. To keep it like out of my face and stuff, I sprayed some of this Ouai? I don't know how to pronounce this. It's like a wave spray, and it's kind of sticky, so I spray it like on the hair just to keep it out of my face. And then before I put any glue, I'm gonna clip it back with this hair clip. And I'm gonna brush, and I already like sprayed the spray like early on this morning. I'm gonna clip that back. I'm gonna move this out of the way and go in with my dusty looking got to be glue. Whilst this dries, I'm gonna go get some rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad because I forgot to mention that you need that as well. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more on here, and you want to wait till it's like tacky, a little bit sticky but kind of dry. You want to just work in sections and like glue it down slowly. I find it easy to just start in the middle, glue that down. You can remove the clip just so it's not pulling the lace back too much. And so that this side doesn't dry out too much, you want to start sticking down this side as well. Just like that. Not gonna lie, I really struggle with the corners. Like it's very difficult for me. But so you want to take your comb and kind of just like go into the hair like that, into each section. Oh, also, you know what I was meant to do? I should have rubbed some rubbing alcohol where I put the glue, because I put like face cream and sun cream on my face, so I feel like I'm pretty sure you shouldn't do that, but I did. But you should like have just like a clean base for your glue. It doesn't really bother me too much because like I remove this at the end of every night anyway, so I don't need it to stick on for that long. I'm just gonna put my glasses on because I actually can't see what's going on. So what you want to do with your fine tooth comb is just press those edges down. making sure that like that's all in place. Okay, I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna focus on the corners. It's always nice to cut like some little sideburns like this. I do that because, like I said, I'm really bad at gluing down the corners. Plus, I cut the lace too much, so I kind of went overboard when I was cutting it. But sideburns are cute, so it doesn't matter. But also, this stuff is difficult because, you know what I mean. Like sometimes it doesn't always look great. You know what I mean. Sometimes if it lifts, it lifts. Such is life. Life goes on. Then you're gonna take your rubbing alcohol and put it on your cotton pad and just remove the excess glue that's like on the edges. And then you're gonna take preferably a silk scarf, which I don't have, so I use the stocking that I cut, and we're just gonna tie that down right on the edge. It's okay if your ears are hurting. That's how you ensure that it's really stuck down. But make sure you really get the sides there. And then just tie it properly. Then I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll come back and show you how everything looks. Okay, so I'm all done with that. I went ahead and did like my whole face off camera because that's not what this video is about. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. I'm really happy with the way this installed. And let me know, comment down below what you guys think. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope I gave you some tips that'll help some of you with your wig application. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.